TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby ya Kumau TV amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumau TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. Sini papa bena upe biasha. Amansane, winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane, yena yedimu. Kumawood TV aba. Amansane, yena yedimu. papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe bi ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawu TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano bebia Kumawu yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biashe Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha Amansane winyano baby
Yama for kwaba monfanche se yadibumra akra sese de koso Ghana no tin and wash papa you because Greek force dumso anyhow ECG force dumso anyhow abanse dumso anyhow but said the enra eye e Kumasi ahodwo ene ne environs no saa na nso aye donko na kanea ne ko yenti we su planter na was service ni ye ansan otimi e de ayadwuma atrase ene eye eda ebenada of course na me atom hakodi bronya no sorry Easter no etimi e de aba emphasize da emfama Kristo so ma na ho kwan na me ene wo boni nti wuye na nansa so sorry yes one sorry a ebi ananka enye kra na so twedian padaroma sorry ni se enema nyina no ebekoye etimi e de amanti emfumso bi na wo ye a she na ehunu se Kristo wawu asori enunti uja abone no na watimi asom no e wono kware ene mudie emumide e de se mic aha Kumawood TV. We are also live on Facebook Kumawood TV, YouTube Kumawood TV. Atrase be jamre na yetimi edin konwaja for atrase and next kwekweche a special assistant to the member of parliament for Menchia North constituency Akwasi Kunadu, and also doubles as the second vice chairman for the NPP Menchia North Gufia. Still appointment no unyabi board krano yama bi no eko dipeni pomo isha na maka ise omo mayo djuma chepa wa party no akasa de defend party no obra party na yefun so no Ernest enso eka ho nze ye party ye still na e was say odi wuro ma to ho na odi defend party no wi a akosere Boniface Ernest e wa sanso and a leading member of the NDC and so Jake Azantilo, of course, Ashanti region, over 15 years NY communication at the the NDC Amanyokuno maybe I know Chanabo still but I soon Edemanyokuno at your so I Benyamre na yeti and come your head mo say Ibenya deputy youth organizer Edma NPP or China in the Ghana no also on to us so a hot da or be Ashanti region youth organizer and also joining here to me Nyamre Eddie and come once again Yamo Akwa ya trans Benyamre na yet to me Eddie and come over me say and I know over the weekend but just say go piemu e waka soa e bia na a great lamte males ni school no ewa abrantie abofra kra di mfie du baako emrantie bi enei omo age kra no ekọ ofanko circuit court age no ehwa be yesem bebre say Frank ewo 16 years ana baako so ewo 18 years a enei omo akoko abofra kra di mfie du baako mo de koye den a omo se omo de akọ jiska duro na omo so atmenya sika na ne usi obi na so waye yi ababa young girl and as a young guy no ayi na na mfom amane haw amanfo kom nam so de gisika no anam de pesika na nyagro mpanifo asa ko benyamre na yetumi edi ho enkomo ewo fidie mu ha eseye mi bukura na yase kasa osla wusu se be ya advert hodwa various media houses especially TV stations fesika ba gisika sika dura hodwo saname sanema nyina no ebe ya omanya ya those TV stations no yantutum benyamre now yet me adding the impact of the media, especially the TV stations on our youth. Net me adding home and come on. Man, your train, I'm a BBC we and Sunday who's an answer for Ghana. Your train, I'll be BBC we answer. You so an answer for her. Now you have to at me up and tear what I did now. Now, Oslo and a Nipa Hodwa Ghana near Nim say, Saname Sandemount, Sikadronia, the Adelotona Manada, I don't know. Ebia. Eni so papa e de ma o man ana benyamre na ye di ho enso enkomo Minister for Parliamentary Affairs, former caretaker Minister for Finance and the Majority Leader, Member of Parliament for Swami constituency, Honorable Chief Mensa Bosu and the abetu jai chiremu sound o 2 MP for pa e be yese bijimisem e de ama MPP for say after nanda wo kufo ado no on be ma jiso mbesa kofa akani I be the NPP man you ko ni mo say yes sir na yes NPP for mo mpe ye nu anu mo nya kanfo no asem enti on the betu papa say na nada wo kufo e kode a ye mfa obi onya kani emra na etumi emwa party no we will look at this issue na busa a lot of reasonable questions. One, say is it important say you be obi onya kani so media man you ko bi enum just like that, and I say we have to look for a competent person not regarding the freeba so ya kani so ya kani so ya hwan ni we betu adwuma no nko ade na wo say ye de ma no when the NPP leadership, especially the leader of parliament Adema NPP etimi eto this line now opatre say what will be his campaign message after say ebia NPP akọ primaries na omo antoa ba anfa enyi obi a onye akani na ebiom beto ba delegate beto ba ya akani asamban na chairman saponsu any NPP benefo ebeka e dey convince Ghana for ansa na omo etimi awin elections no wodi kan asutu party no anasa propaganda bi na oye e dey ama obi e ma nyeko ni emu ebenyamre na ehonso yetumi e di honso enko when say fish bi axim ne central nyagro o ma pie dolphins bi asede yo pie e opunu mu ama obigu monte so manfo ha se eton omo a e bi so that bi so mu guso a omo eye eno so emu ehwemu eno so nkoma wa ebenyamre na yetumi e di dumso or no dumso nei the sector minister for energy Mighty Opoku Prempe, a member of parliament for Malaysia South constituency, or no, and our day at 2 days, nay, or quite pro ever Greek for us, you know. A dear daddy, say a maintenance work, and a Greek for you, and you do so an abba into Kenya, a regime. Now, in a Santa region, Greek for say, a Bakwa could see December. Some part of Greater Accra, anytime, no, almost a Bakwa could turn baby a bear September, baby. And the other day. But is it doom so or not doom so? What is your definition for doom so? Now, yet me Eddie also and come once again. Yamo akwa faje chebere nyamre and can into me and from my main the understanding of wherever you are watching us from. So what kind of situation at the same as we speak now, I yet I can say from 1 o'clock exactly and a light no call off. In Siayaso, a hotel area. So they are and the most residential area war Ashanti Kingdom, but light of no course almost every day around this time we do now maso Eddie ama but almost any do so any better some come be say bia maintenance worker e say be do mu hade no let me see machines no and as I say let me understand the situation I want to area and as for J at Nasi saa so na Jake so atwa mo makwa ba na afi yen sha se eni enkomo ena sa ba
ya mi juso be boko
na mo so boko usa why say TV free fa che ye nya ye ne aye nya ye ne bibie
ina ye ti ase no ma cha anyway happy birthday.
Thank you.
Augustina.
Yeah.
Yes, the production Easter.
Easter. No man dey am Easter.
No. Say Easter on your holidays. Yeah, Easter. Ana there's a new page again.
Yeah.
I have no Easter. What you say? The nyamia ya mo efe. Akono. What you say? Minya ka me ni di. We can't move. Sure.
Sure.
Says I know nyami nyanko kuna sorry I say the get people see what can be
yeah
it open with a whole lot of energy or so what they are saying and then media and so
okay
now
my menna CEO for Hefra
okay
Dr. Philip Yabano Enra in fact said it was a friend me now Dr. Close one eye. Need to before just say, oh, Doctor, I miss out.
They already come.
Take a baba.
Yeah. Yankupa Adum, Yahoya. Mr. Me, my mamma, happy belated birthday. Na men casting Yankupo in shop. Now on to Koma Munyan and you, dear, a more thing. Only me in your bag. Baba, the nigga, I think I'm Mutimi because Muna Mudim birthday. I think I'm Mutu party. Dabi and Dawes. Yareba and Tinia Tea, Yemi and Sabet Martin Hedge. So I just said, yeah, Timothy, young moon fans, I know. Young fire events are with Mr. and I gave it to me because I am Mutimun. Mutimun, the niggas Mudi because now I said. Holidays in the Kawatu in South Frame. Oh, Tale, you can crave Chama Blana, yeah, to twins and the
Mamma sign Mala Mohammed, CEO for Unity FM and Unity TV. You don't know so assay. And also from Sunday na nice a Yakama. And I feel your boss, Sandakus. Nyagro eno lanchi pa
sound and they move really
I think I Mutimu my invite here because
I'm for the demand
and so Mudimama says Cafoni and Diamond didn't say yeah and here for no free account Ninke ye du ani bi ana ta
omni am hia for ngro omni am hia for
omni am ngro eti me de pa na mabo amamu because so mo ndia ma ya dia na me ma me nua kwa me jokoto so happy anu so no so na
na ye jokoto na ye first information minister
okay
so no so be dia ana ne so am say MPP Jesse communication officer
na Jesse happy birthday
so yeah MPP communication officer
for Ishiaso
yeah happy birthday na me ma me nua kwa me jokoto special birthday belated birthday Yankopon gusu nshira no na o ma na ho de ni nyansa na dia Yankopon dia dum no Yankopon mboa na o mfa nkwa
na ora so party no na wajai
on the say we no nya ye o ni
takafo no pam no
ono ye takwa ni bia mpam no
so olusu
nto olusu cha so ya pam no
so wansa nko second time
wansa nko anu sa atam no wetu kwa no woni Ghana
sa
na woni Ghana kwa be de
ora so NDC ni
na kwa na eda na o je NDC ye wo ni tumu ne papa na ne papa na ne takra secretary
ta ame shasi o de so kaswa Mrantia Episika na yes one of them cried the date of death no the one about man so say it is over 19 the understanding we are getting from the court and court no to say that say we're not there as a notorious person of area as young as he is 18-19 years now almost still there was it to me Elmodiana yetimi Jessica na so many man and do Benin no yes so mun kuni pa na mro bi so man na cho all sort of stories and then megunu any cafe and then the call by some people said ebeya media house no so TV stations including yina no se mu bi yi san crofo no we a ebeya ije na amwa
Yeah, that's na match match ya Ghana. For match ya party for every representative ya mauni na farm. Kama pensiano match ya pensiano pension representative station
Oh yes, so what's that? Let me add much now.
Yeah, Mickey. And Colana, you know, I'm a teen, you're meeting me. It's here that will be said. Set Colana 18, 19. Now it's in the castle of Victoria. If you put a castle of Victoria, a Colana 18, up. Now, the keeping you. It's never near. Around 1819, I think that it might be around HS.
Just one. No, let's take this big.
That is it.
No, but let's work out pieces for Sukanan is buying you.
Yes. Very nice. Yeah, maybe I'll talk about it. They will do my car. Teacher, who will do my
Hello.
I never will ever.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, right.
The campaign. Then those days, those days. Who bundle? Who at the end of our one chair upon to see it me too. Show, we have a few of the from and send a few to the Liverpool.
Pastor, and that time for one year.
Then she said, I have a collaborator and Quemunam as a sack. Oh, mother. Rose are club of Pronavia. I see this friends. No, for a purpose of it. It wasn't common. It wasn't common. Now, my right. Any. Now people have the car, you know, the cassette. That is their thing. Now, on the one say, he has sucker alive. Young boy, get on young man. And never knew you, Merano. Some Merano, and we send the source of income. A tomorrow, yet. But let me take car, source for Mr. Last, if a program or let me cook me. Kayanaga, Massa.
Yeah, now
Yamin Papa. Yamin Papa. I'm saying. Oh, once over set it. Oh, you will be an awesome moment.
Yeah, me will give him a point 6.
No, he's never 7. And your master defend this name is very good.
A point 6, my partner, my friend.
Who am I? What I said? These things are going on.
I don't know. Yes,
are going on in this country. Oh, which people are making one in Chelsea? I mean, I said, serious, you want. And Bra, police and Christian police and young said, young people and Rapala, teaching you on the man. Teaching you on the man, and the Maraba said, so when you have our classroom, now play your mom, dear. What do you welcome up when yet? Say, Aquana, dear Bonnie said, Yana became a Bakrana, headmaster making a home.
The reasons, no.
About no reason, not a proper. That a proper approval. I had master and Casapa Vegina, and son of one. Yes. And then over classrooms. No, and then, so about Quabu Kena, they are say a point. You understand? These things are going on. Yes, and then you are so poor. Don't preach your TV so. And can't say what is here. Don't preach in a day. It's about money. It's about money. And the more not run sir, that would take TV so Sika, almost every year is going to be there. At that age, master, the thinking capacity is It's easy to be influenced.
Okay, so now I'm going to need my friends and come around. A month of course, media houses, no, especially TV stations are. You first cover this guy, you was this guy. Oba, was I never 100, I must have 10 million a month, 20 million, and also I am part of this.
Yes, I agree with that. I agree with them 100%. It's not nobody. First, a new say, if you can say, Madam Way, or Mescadro, then you saw a content, Papa Way, and it had those on here. You're very saying, Musica is Massa. Who fear crown will do 1 1, no peculiar. Who tell you, Oba, our dear Crabbono. You understand? And then acquire a young person, effect. So, what for Labby? Now, Colana, tower them, a packet tower them no near to ma. Then I will walk a pampa. Master, who's everybody?
Come here, juveniles. And never quarter no. Quarter session from Mra. But the issue of their age, you know, we are at the unfolding from a pass. So, Musa, dear, so you juvenile. Master, and a quarter more because of the Gamotiano. Now, quarter can say. Bakokra firi akwasi hokra it is ordinary fan busa from the fine na dom airport dem we juveniles dey be am dey akwara no kunawi amakunawi but juveniles in Tanzania man until almost pre 18-19 mata until almost pre 18-19 omo di age dey for bobo ah na bra at this age the same man never pass here and I'm a boy. See, I'm in a hospital. Now you know, you're Prana. You may be the and yet, my time of point now, I don't want to more thing. The very piano people be free. So definitely, and I cry. What for primary school? What no matter what for primary school for kids 1 year. When you do some more. And yet, you want to start from when 6 class from Prana. And I say I'm in the hospital. And I said, I'm going to go. Definitely, they will get their dates. And a juvenile, but the mere person a juvenile, doesn't mean that they have themselves. What you said? I also don't go. The way lucky, send the partner of you know, I'm rather papa. Why, Yamisu, then can you be a baby on the chill? Right, so I was also arrested live on Common Television. But then, Sebra and Yamra and Kenkai and Emfa and Mabia. Everybody about what I brought to Yamre and Kenkai and Mao. Deputy NPP Youth Organizer, our China. Almost medium China and Tiano. Me call Mensia. It's in the new China and Tiana. Deputy NPP Youth Organizer for China. Kobe Amukedu. Actually, Ufia Sanso and a Kobe. Say Ofi China back Ghana. Now, or Black Ghana, or Santry. Okay, youth organizer. That was Santry. Come your cover.
Madas Mickey. Open me that say, Yamiadum Boko.
You try home rat, Sima, Yaba,
and your road to obey and I did Pejano Abosso. Ya rabbit to say, and Yaria, Akomayaria, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, or Barney Berima Wuntimin War. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudona Efraye, Madame Catri Clinic Diamau, Madame Catri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yawenina Efriho. Yane Kofa Baye, the Madame Catri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi ni Pejiano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one no man will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Catri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnie Pejiano, any year now. Wama will feature console aye kama. Ye won fidie wa waswa ye de be dwama so ye de hwehwe di pedie mu. Eyi ya ro do ahintani nyina edi. Catherine Clinic e wo Kumase. Asante Mantembu edi ne wo. Madam Catherine Clinic ya re nyina last stop.
FD ya hwehwe sei dwade ka to yi mu agye atum se eye.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no manya ma asorema akon obi o ho amene wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma me mene da okay kwesie da edwuma da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana menya adwuma na efie da wo beto me ya wo so me hwawo because nipa ena wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wawo akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wawo akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma afi na ne tini emo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai be ni nyina onom o sa glue ankasa nkra no o sa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na ono ne kodaye afa de ye ya obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu say abeye mremremre
okay
a wo ba nyim easily
piaw so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia e o Kumawood TV na yenya mre enwura sunsumu eno suko na o haw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri nsem utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebia kontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwa atibie tienie kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kokwa atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
well awol pia obusha ise ifiri mu mo ye de den ti be slowa we na fa kokko wi me na se dia wa wonu tua wo fa se no mo ye den ma me ti de we na na wo yere na mfa nkonko ye tikuma na ma no wai slowa
obusha yanko nyempo nkumase
mo ko nkumase
oh nah it's been a long time oh yeah
me say Minia, obra kwantu ya wo. Semina na ma ya nke atwa ni ahwedan yo. Ya suma me. Semina me pada ka do ma si akamara. Na me si ya chini. Ye nya da ka yi.
Akokra na nsani o. Na semu na mo that's why. Wo hia me de we ni problem kra. Wo beje di se me free Dubai betru Ghana. Na me na na confident. Wo to na na mo ansia do. Ni eje yi ni bo me so. E wa bre na mi ni kapre. Odu ko bi na kire me Volkswagen casket shop. Ah e wo kuma se labor hire. Me ko ho no ma. Anu musa ni mi yes kan hye ye o.
Ni we de bi ntwa no. Misika ye di ma me se me fa ba. Ai so afensu ye se me be ambulance. Na me sam fa de be de da no enka.
Ambulance. Ani de be da ho. Omu ye ambulance service. Into ni problem kra. Ani na. Ye nya ni se ubenya sika kakra bi di ato ase. You know se kuma stay by plan o. Ye ko na ko tira o. Some Volkswagen casket shop here. Ye wona ka me bere. Te se de mu bi na. Volkswagen casket shop. You will kuma se infantile new town. Ye di labor office na ben. Volkswagen casket shop. We are the dealers in quality local and foreign caskets.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
And your road to obey and a Jimmy Pediano Apostle. Ya ready to say, and Yare, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Untimin Didi, or Barney Untimin. Make a foot a read naturopathic clinic at Dudona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic, Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic, and homeopathy, naturopathy.
Found Kumawood television. You go so AD and Komo and they are yes, you are Kaswa Mofra Kumakra, almost a security on we communicate so and the actual do so. I also our Ghana, of course. I don't need Grico or ECG to tell me, said, do so Ghana. For what I've been experiencing, it tells me that there is doing so in this country. The earlier they fix the problem, I think the better for all of us. Deputy Youth Organizer, China. Kobe Amoedu. Kobe Akwabiu.
So Mike, medase. Nyamia do me ho ye.
China to say.
Oh, China ho obia ho ye. Ghana for I watch China. MPP Mebuno. I watch China. Obia ho ye ho den. Asuafo so wo so I mean ye nyina no you follow a program no you di amanyo se machi pa.
Oh, okay.
Na enya China pe I mean Messiah Swami ni ba.
Okay.
Polling station secretary from Swami constituency and me go do China there. Okay. Na just me grassroots ni mu people. I mean ye who the echo yenim the womo ye win election and check cry. Na appointment say mo koso I mean mebu no ne bia ya agitete kaka na adwuma sem ne ade abotre bibia mo no bibia benya ne so ene ne die ka you see amemu na yebu
and why party adwuma actively wonya hwe so na ka mo mfie kakra bi ne za koto abo mfie nan na mo ko position a time do be bi wa se obi be jana die
so my good name was your co-position that in 2032 they na Kenya opposition dem dey na Kenya amemu we no ho ye bua to 2032
oh okay
eno nan chen eno so treasure se bia bru se bia nyado chairman abet na ha said we di party achieve 15 years onya bibi FM free party nim there be entisa MPP amemu no ye genepedi grassroots ye gidi I mean ye wo aresiemu and I want penny for so mototo your mama ye. Enti bibia mu no. A slogan no remains simple. Bibia be fine. Bibia be fine. Come. Enti problem ni ho. I mean
what China as deputy youth organizer.
Yes sir.
Sanka position we there as power as our Ghana now ye ebia NPP deputy national youth organizer. Matisi say also drop phone have a far Ashanti region just 47 constituencies youth organizer and then I see
BBNC that's no question NPP China branch that's one NPP China your members Ghanaians in China acquire 7,000 8,000 a dozen baby however in him say 2024 about why bet for no we need our best foot forward. We need our soldiers on the line. We have to get onipa bi a otimi kanipa boom. Enipa otimi ede charisma eshenipem na etimi akwakono. Breaking the eight enough. Enye simple, enye nomenclature na be ka brofo egu ho. No. Eye a form ejuma.
You just said say more NDC ba power eye 2032.
Yeah.
So I don't know what's breaking the eight.
Say you're complacent. Yeah, Bugana for. Yeah, the type of Babet Naka Jose, Akoko Satra Cromanefe. No, Babasa. There be, yeah, Bugana for. You Bugana, the power behind the thumb. And to say, Bunipa, ye ferry nipa, nipa na ye Juma. Na Abuama nipa as sitting them, aye, papa, they are. Now was the idea need so magana for Sebi ebro Sebi enyado de entwa ye de anko ye no ya tene no ya koye nim da kwa akono the very election ya toto nyoma aboa ama the average Ghanaian eso enya ne partner to mapa den efra enti yes it is true ye nim say ye kwa akodu 2032 but they not so say ye be disrespect Ghanaians and as Sebi o ya etoaba so we dey nim say ye we ni awie ni ate o ni ensa say dem refem na ye dwendwen ye ho da bi ye nye ne sa ye go room to room door to door house to house you see the next election begins when the last one ended.
I don't know African politics no
there be African politics and any there say Mike tell me elections are here kono ya start election no and Sebi o ye juma ye be die no e be boss na to hama ye.
Okay, is it true sir Opasa Kumpa for Ashanti regional youth organizer?
Emo Said the hotel from Mono no cre sanity na ni swade ho no aba. However, pennyfo ne form 4 omo tie chi omo boy chi do omo se o kwabena yenim wo fitete 2008 abeye polling station agent secretary etwa ma besen ko anyame adom wa rise edu at national level officer ene juma pa wotimi dia party for yenim no usom Ashanti region de yekọ akono na ebeboa ye sabi MPP China enka politics eni ho China is a communist state and the politics nipa 10 grace here police vote me be chow and no cry the tia bobom atwetwam akwa akodu at the national level yenye complacent yenka say magic yenka say enim yesin obi a yenka say nyansa no sabi yenkwa etrim na dadabi na emom na don't be. You see, I always say organizational duties and elements. A talent, a akoma. When to me nya sebi, sa nyansa no amfa nya se jumana. Emfa politics near ye. I also to me kasa. Kasa so say to me top form. I was say to me top akoma. Ahobrase kwan so. The best three. Enye se gidi na debi je wo buy na ye no. Chairman buy I say need your honey de ma chairman. The mic you know na ye juma ona ye host of the show they need the amount you know in the NPC they need the amount sebi Ghana no e ba pe Ashanti mine 47 constituencies ye nyina ye dia it is Ashanti mine and to last me call radio station back it was after press conference a course so about the roads interchanges Basono and of course the minister for transport Ochiremu Swami airport runabout Oforiko Ahamiba you see ye kasa ya tia bresa na sebi asa ye bu ya bem e woni me bi hu de bi me ba to boss me say
Ghana ha and another for minister me ni na me na nense mundi roads minister because there has been series of comments I will make you Ashanti regional Afinibasono not said in this city and sanity
Mambako
from 2017 so from 2017 I just saw runabout Oforukrum road and I say tech runabout we live with them, we move with them when they come and so
there's also Oforukrum Asamaba. Now I can't take runabout, I can't just run about. The cast studies are yes, mind you, I'm a PhD candidate for roads and highway engineering.
Okay.
I am on the ground. You need the room, air traffic studies, yes, simulation of traffic, human and pedestrian, human and vehicular. Also, if we may not know the full picture, it may seem as if say she in Koso and as a bibini ho.
Okay, but
say, dear no, they're 40 years.
For the sake of our time. I'm only saying that because Minister of the country, so within 1 year, now say 2 years, why do you expect me to trust the minister who could not convince me why you couldn't fulfill that promise initially and still making another promise? I know that they are but you have one is see.
So Busan come, I mean, quick one, Nankawabem.
For the sake of time, you have one is
so anyway.
So come, you share. What's that say? Why aspire say LOB? You said you need to really get a ambition or but how do you see your chances?
Sir Mike, Medasi, the chances are bright. Okay. We don't want to disrespect any other person. I watch your ambition to go for the regional youth organizer position. No. Busian Toka. And I said we are Ponyato and I media have shown say I am interested and I'm going for it. There's no turning back. However, and yes, I be back for Juma. Yes, back for and so Yamiani Kata. It's a whole institution, 47 constituencies. A penny for the bridge, chairman for just a penny for womb. And he said, also, dear need so much, dear need a senor. And the home brass council. A form for Omunim de Quabanamitimi, Omunim Juma, so I and Omunim de sea and is why, ye, Yemet Nahanya Sebi campaign, no, because in view. Name among common heading, ye chichen, and I betum Wabusa. And to Busaya, the Ohono, et sa, ewom ɛna yɛdi ho dwuma nkɔmɔ no so kɔ so mpanyinfoɔ bebree so asɔ yɛn mu a sɛbi o wɔn present the candidature of Kobe going into the regional election.
Mesaba ho I'm going to take me name Kaswa what yes me kra afi yes me tio Kaswa
ma menchia
I want say before the free sir
ma menchia ahwefo no na yenda o mase menchia mada so we me oton bag wo Kaswa ho oyoba me do for mada se sa no person make pe menu ane de ma menchia no na oni chama ayo madam fo chana chama MPP
chairman Ben
madam pa no me pese me nua ne mese ne campaign ko ono ansam na ono anka no ha no aso aka bua ono an for ntima me fan trouble ko me nua no me pese be wura ne kasa na o kan ne se me wura ma nya ntima jai me nua me ye campaign amani tinti ma jai me nua nkwala na de esi wo kaso no adise ye ka because asam ye nkwala nketin de e bi edru sisi ne yi se ye ya nkwala no se be wo be 15 years to 16 years ne akaso gay ne ekurampona wa be ne ko be so agunu so wo be bo no bo ba ne no ebi ase na say atu sense akwala kwa wo 6 years 7 years e ko nyina wo tene ka se we ya me gay we ya me boy ama anen kwala nketin ko mo JSS e bi aklase so kwa mo timi etwum pena anu na aduru baby aduru na ka kwala 17 years e ko 18 years etimi kokuma akwala wo 11 years mo timi kunu enya akwala kitikiti mpu akwala wa nyina cha ne be 6 years pe ana 5 years pe wo timi kokunu etimi hu se yenkunu ne yamfani nsie se dia be ya sikaduro bi koso ba bi we nyina koso o man mu no aya ne ye ho osere me huni se Ghana sabiu aya ne ye jokers asam ne ba ne ye nyina kante se de ye ka no radio so TV so ya ka wie ye wie ba solution no wo ha ye betima ye na ye nye bibre me ba be mo examples bibre solutions ne bibre wo ha ye se ye ba asam ne ba ne ye hu ti se de ye nyina ye tufu ti se de na cha man ka ne kwala ye mu no wo school ye nyina ye nim se nye nso ye fo aso enti se me ka se ayese ye hu nya atuma se mba na obi abegina se ima face bi nkwala wo mususu me ti se lawyers ni bi start keka se munu na ya no mo kan se bi se me yuzu nsamunu ba eya se ye onu ba nka bi nko ni obetu nkotokuro wo nipa so ba ne yakwakan ni akata so omo ya nkwala asiyeye okay so omo ya nkwala ye ti wo ye den ane nkwala ni bibiri ye sa ne ma no adantin da ndara da yan famira bi nko yan famira ni nko parliament ba yan pass law na wa ya akwala keto no ya sa asiye timi di uduma akwala wa timi hu se ye siska duro sika wo diska kwai akwala 17 years 16 years boy wo diska ni kwai woni ne maame na eda ni papa na eda onu na hu se me kwa akoye se adwuma we na me diska ba wo diska ni kwai se akwala no wo diska ni kwai enti se ane ma ni nyina ekoso me kase ye jokers ane ne se ye to ma sa de we ekoso radio TV asofofo ka nkofo bibiri TV so kan sama ya mama ne ekoso we na so kwa ka ye nua ne mo chama mo so omo no wonya adwene se ene kwan se oka because sisi akonwa na tumi ne mu na mo chi so enti ye niam bibiri wo ya ba subo no ye de babo because ayi ya friend say communication minister adwuma we nyina ye na adwuma o radio station say otutum ye NDC for otutum no ana o munya ahia ye na opponent we mu na ese o man ne koso ye nyina ye to otimi tena TV na nkwala bi te ho na o muguta o muti o mu de laptop wasi ho o mu so sane 100 cedi obenya 1000 Ghana akoso live program o nya se bia o mu shekuko mbi na o ma record na o mu bo live program
amateur beat no o mu record mama had that to say live o mu record
sa asam na waka ba me die me ba da bi o untie dia me pese me ka sa asam we ya wo kan sabi obi a otie me no mienu bia o mo besere so obi record program mo bo no kuma wu TV se ya pese ye chi nipa kura gise ya betu nipa no studio ansa ne ya chi aveta mo gene wa haye ni mo aveta ya se mo bo mre wo manimu entinya aveta bia no obi ne betu dwa no wage abo si e close mo radio station etum nkofo bi fa o ma nkasa ne ma we nka ya dan buko wuti akwala na
me bawo emra wa Ghana ha me bawo emra wa Ghana ha ai kire say so bi say oyiloto number itia mra na we should also be looking at those things.
Ntira me ka say
oyiloto number
meba
emra bi tia wa Ghana ha
meba ntira me ka say ye jokers ne say yetimi tina TV so na obi so o yeska duru o first ka say bra na me ma wusi atia mra o manu
emra de
na da tina ko twa fake yetimi chew
so nga to twa fake
me bisa atam na me ka ni tie mi ada tina ko twa na ono won twa fake ayeda na ono ni nye ska wo 500 cedi beje wi ayi ya fa ni sen sa ma me we ya fa ni sen omu nyina na oniema omu ye no TV so no ye hu na ska yetimi twa omu timi ka se ska futuro ni kese niema bibire ye jokers se me ka se ye jokers ni se sa nsam na wo ka no ada ye MPs ni timi pass sa amra we just one day sembre bie no ye betimi de akon atia ye MPs no omu timi pass mra ye pass wo Ghana bi ni we chairman aye timi nka so anne sa amra we odiko to parliament MP be na ba ka so won pene so aniema akoso ma ba bia nkwala ne se amfa na ensifo ma be kakra no de be si wo Ghana na enya papa ade bia ye didi agro ne ye to ne ye mra ana ima face ne ye teto ana duru ba bia du akwa 17 years 16 years ade na odi scare because we hunu utie nkwala na omusi omusi obi ana omu na obi na na communicate ama sise investigation amu ye because ompe nipa kro na ache no aye obi ana ma omusi adwini nche so de ba obetima ma wosika duru aye because of otie ne radio TV nka akwala we okote no he asem we nkokwa ngi de wahe ba wotie ne radio otie ne TV ana ya kire ne so wotimi ye we amaye we ana akwala da tima nya kukuduro etima kum akwala 11 years asande na kwasie atu amena de na hyem asem we de hu mutimi ye ko no chama mutimi ye ko no na o ma delete we nkwa no ma ntime delete
je be ba o na yan fa ya dwe so hwe se nkwala no na ebia amaso aden because numerous number of children
wasama wokai nti asama woka ne yakase nkwala no maso nya de yana obi anim se nkwala na so odin anu nti na ye wo mpanyimfo atete omo ye wo maami ye wo papa na wo maami so woto oba wo papa woto na akwala we no eye niema bi wo sesabi wo anko school nyankopo amma wadwene se de wo ba ni tifie ye eniema wo ye ni to wo wode wo si da bia wo sora wo kɔ adwuma wonni adaje enti wa bai wo ba 16 years eniema bia wo ye ofie nto wo sebi nyankopo ama wadwene o ma wo nyansa anu si gisi ye bo wa suma ansa sebi ye bo wa suma ansa no hu se eniema ye kɔ so nye ane na akwa beduru ba bia anne nkwala nketinkete timedi bo mesi ye to ani o mo de papafo ni maamefo na kwa giska dro to ani anadu no ba na sɔre wo so na o de sika ye siwsu because obi aka akire no se wotimi kum ne maane de ne ba obenya sika ane akola ketwa awofo so sabi ya dwuni nya papa nti sabi o obetimi to fon papa fon be 1000 Ghana 500 no de amane ba no de guta o ka no akata ne so ane ewiasa akonanim akola ne wo school aso otimi frɛ maame mi wa akola no wo madam o kire na de wo chiche ne o kire na so person na akola ne kasa anu anso aka kire wo frɛ chiche ne wa kata nse me pese me na akola ne kasa mi ma ye bida me wo fa secondary school no university o yes wo di phone ko me sizi phone wie ya me de to me so nko school mra no meje me ka kire ne se me friend me ngita ba ko me ka kire ne se me pese ya ne kasa ya friend siso awo ha ne ya send credit amala lecture no se wonje because ase akola ne ye hunu ba won ka so akola ne akola ba nti ne ya dai ye nyim so obi anim betete but at least esi enkola ne ba bi o moduru no ne ne ma o mo sua no enti at least ma wonim wadwini maso
esi ye nsa no now oslo usu ase say all media houses are advertising for money rituals no yen close down those media houses no
sanetia se we ye started that kan duru ba bi eduru si ye kum obi ewi ansa na ye take sa decision we me bo aga na ntira me kase da bi atoda ye timi ye niema bi te se adesua na ye asua no ye ninim die won se da bia me kase radio asamba on se da bia me kase da bia me kase ye betimi because na Facebook chama Facebook ye betimi close because ɛyɛ Facebook nya obibia na odi to a ɔmo ayɛ company ɔmo giske film nti yɛbɛtimi aka kyerɛ ɔmo sɛ ade wɔ odi to a yɛbɛtimi ɔman ni wɔ saa tumi no ba de me kyerɛ ni sɛ
for you know no sɛ yɛdi nkɔmɔ a yɛmfa yɛ adwen nkɔ other areas yɛ wɔ Facebook no ɔwɔ ha bo sɛ obi asɛn no friendship wobɛkɔ mu no na yɛ somebody meyɛ sika meyɛ wei
nti wopɛ sɛ woka kyerɛ me sɛ Facebook foɔ no ɔmo nnim sɛ saa malemfoɔ anaa nkɔɔfoɔ bi yɛ nneɛma bi a ɛmfata ɔmo nnim nti na bibi wɔ koraa wode fa Facebook a ɔmo tumi blɔko so atɛnti deɛ meka ma na bɛsi sɛ ayɛ a mayɛ nyɛ ɛho te sɛ deɛ sɛ bi Ghana hankwa na yɛsi yɛ kɔ school yɛ expert gye sɛ asɛm no si wie na mediafoɔ mo nhwehwɛ anim no na mo so mo akɔfrɛ ɔmo sɛ ɔmo yɛ expert ɔmo mfa mu nimdeɛ mmra sɛ yɛka sɛ ɔyɛ expert a wodwini kɔ kan ehu sɛ ade wɔ esi yɛ start ntam a sie ne baba na mo start ɛbɔ ho dawuro anu ne ha me no yɛatena ma agye sɛ BBC ewie ansa ne start nti deɛ me mesrɛ nsɛ yɛ nyina yɛ ma yɛ ninya dene Ghanafoɔ aban obi a ɔmo wɔ susi radio station ne TV station ɔmo champion saa nneɛma ne nyɛ no yɛ nkuro so because mmerɛ no wɔ hɔ peskanti to ntimi ka se me sɔre anɔpa me de peskanti nti yɛ kum nipa yɛ mmerɛ bie no yɛ mfa nkɔ parliament yɛ betimi de one day pa paase na yɛ adwuma ba nkwara de ni kwanse yɛ gya ho mo
ti komo aha yɛ koma TV yɛ silupi ɛno ti yɛn srɛ sɛ yɛ ma no yɛ ne nkɔmo ho yɛ sɔre de na yɛ wɔ time na yɛ de ma yɛ hwɛ TV yɛ sɔre na wɔ time na yɛ de ma yɛ na yɛ de hwɛ TV after sɛ wɔtie saa konkonkuru enyimre no so GBC news na wi
kantata mo na
akandrama
oyi awawi
akandrama na kwanso be ha ye monitor papa na no kwan wo ye hu ba kubi ansa na papa ye ndey awofo no daja mofra no no mra so TV ho so at the end of the day
obi timi ne batimi ka se e ba ni nfuo mu
casket shop Kumase se kwanya ye nkwa na obi fodaka to ana ye hu na bia to de brother kachi ko bezo tu so a ko betumi aboa ama obi etimi etu gospel ebo no from pa casket no China for mo heya mo anya yie a mo ba fi mo to fi China ma ibu ha ya kra ena dia ba sans na local man so bi so e wa ha ebo no so de from pa mo de na ebra na yetimi enhwe gospel casket o ma say asafu liberal about over 0243 737 0243 737 457 for no obeji wo so you so edi enkomo abuja Minister for Energy Matthew Opoku Prempe eko Griko omo head office eko he nyuma eko so dumso ne ehun enkomo okono enye ono kono se trefo koye together with information minister kojo upon kroma akoko assess situation ye company for their can and say uko Greater Accra and afi kaswa tema omo ye sisi as alliance ni bi said e be ya obetimi asom no maso ye sompa a lot of Ghanaians are also talking say what they have mentioned I mention kaswa tema Accra but of course some part of the country western region western north dumso no ho you say na say Volta region omo ye dum ho dumso ho but then what of baby I had them with maybe na dumso no e wo no dumso na aba and I say the city here and if really say ye adwuma e wo baby a ye ntimi mo man na emu say e bia mo anwo Kumase these areas ye adwuma enti e bia awia don kokopon nyimre nunum e bedu mo kan na ye adwuma no but wo ha na ye du kan ya no without any reason what they never now for so de eko we really under dumso and I say bia dumso no wo gidi say enya emai for them say bra na me situation na also wo area mama sha say time
yeah okay
go buy you TV free you knew it but if you look at the strength of maybe the power you use to have because also conditions in a maybe an TV yeah machine yeah two son number and I'm on your kind of prayer and can't say kind of for Saba and as I said two son of mine
Mickey yes medase na yeah me aminu aketua
yeah
our youth organizer in Ashanti region yes this is the first time I'm meeting him now I like his communication we are very down now things say on fasa into sana mon amanyo yedi nipa na ye ahobrase ye na ye Any sika, eno cre, ahobra, nemo, sika no tie. Ubetumi wo sika, we be move wanye. You understand? Your attitude is the key. So what you say? It is said you work no, eye akonya na ato ofie, na ye pere. Yen cancer pamfa ye ho. Ka de ubetumi our strength. Ubetumi aye. O ma ba na me ntubi. Se me tubia. That's all influence. Yes, we influence. Betumi aye. Me say aduma, and me do you understand? Me e dey support no because ne kasa na waka no e kire. Ana wonye obi a
next week another
don't worry.
Aspirant
don't worry. Anya hwe.
Na o kasa na sesa.
Tie enipa de umiti no. Na utie ne kasa. So what you say? Na ho brase a it tells you. Na me no, dey me dan say we a grassroots man. We a polling station executive member, which means say you understand the concept. When you obi osmiti abrochire. Ana me ba be pre, me din sika be pre, but we a feminine me school work. So what you say? I just say dey your best be fia be ya adwuma. Osia dey so kama. Do you understand? Obeyen so hwede enso hwede so depa e dey ama the youth no amom so ani abreso mbeko o manim enti me hwe ne wo na unua ye Jake kasa no o kasa a o de sanse no be bo MPP ye ne wo abe
me say minister no
o de bo me say communication ana me come let na dey bo me come beka e very important to me. This one is very, very important to me. Communication. Sector of free tete nyene. Ana nasa media ya nasa inkrofo ya sa de sen na bedru ne enti ene ana ye nyina ye hunu se say ye hwe nasa ne no esi ano o me nka ne sa me e fam kwhye obi what you say good electricity issue, energy issue aye wo mu Mathieu Rico, Mathieu ECG, and Mathieu Minister, of which explanation with the Mayeno. Meeting me, I say, a dear, a hat on mine canco, a hair duma, a hair sick as them. Church as ye. Now, Ghana Hano, Yama institutions who say they have responsibility. Church as ye. Ye tio bika a strategic manager e company it is strategy pen and we use policy be no madrato and then abeka kire ye say Ghana expansion the rate e develop no is too much and for that matter no strategy mo for say ka mo de plant be ka na say mo de transform be ka ho no timi affect mo into o say immediately we to sana more way transmission lines near the ade so the major na say a failure on their part very serious very, very serious because so your mind na say energy problem ba ho a it affects everything taxes abeje income abeje even it deter investors abo mem abeje aduma say the work yenye eti hai yes wati ya bre ba wose e betra ba ya aduma anya bia fuel anka manager etoyi enkodi mi di kama ketua ho na so timi di allowance de mamo enye me de enye wo de enye obi bia de so ti ase but abasa ana o ma me ati ase se enye nationwide issue but the contractors no kire say edu baby they will need the power say be man off no ma ye aduma bi e baby etiro mo timi kan ma ye timetable say e bia mo hai o china this time e bedumu no because be bedu na contractor no onimu la no so therefore you have you have your friends energy you have power church as here in so come as timetable na one timi ni suma nye yi so asem when na omo fi say on be hia ade no na omo akatin off no ma ye aduma sa ana de ama difficulty na ede aba na de aba so me cho na say enti ye nyina no nye ye de enye ye de ye MPP asamanyoku ade a ya besi awi nso gu to say sa ne mo ye ma bi si Ghana ha when enye production enye events and generation issue distribution And no, and at this time, you may win in Adiaba. Or which we are telling them, say the energy minister, say, Omo make sure, say, Omo Bama, time along the Amayeno, Omo Timia, you must have town in Bedruno. That's our problem here for a long period of time.
So the time in Ashanti region, Kumasi, according to UC Unibikuno, it will go to somewhere November, December.
Yeah.
If you look at Greater Accra, Tema, and Net Environs, and the Minister Koye, put in the Brick of Walker, it will go beyond September. What's it any nationwide? That is what Brick will say. But your beautiful lines too much. You get people calling from Sebioso, people calling from Takwa, people calling from Eastern region, from Ashanti region, from Volta region, from Greater Accra. So if you say any nationwide now a small area,
make it. Ghana have it here. What you say? It is will be a to say Yakasa Ashanti region. Light call for what that doesn't mean say light of Enko. Say Volta light of Intimisio. That doesn't mean so what you say? Anna may no mean Ashanti region that can confirm. So what you say? That is somebody's point of view. And what catch me? Is it true or not? I can't sit here and confirm. And I don't forget, say Ghana, everything is the politics in them. You understand? Be pure the politics in them. And you don't know friend of Korano. Not doing saying. So what you say? Ne do ruwa a buy or to say, men cannot ban a hormone. These things are there. But it can be possible, say also no light of Bekosu. Do you understand? But media, the mechanic say, Omama Yati, say Omama this period. Let us hope and pray. Say a bedroom no more timia solve this problem forever and ever for us. Send your beya Emma the effect, the impact, no, don't call you too much. But say it me ya off and on kakran, you be the year Juman kakran. Compose me yes sense in Amana. I think that will be better since you have a good could
also live on Commonwealth television. These are coming from politicians, rare politicians. Some of I don't know. Say so one of her. Them from moment to a couple of now you manage on and off. Now you must crack an idea. What said the bear ain't affected. We are politicians, yeah, but there is politicians. My old man didn't say, Manufona Casam said, you are the island and come on. Before you now, because you have one more. We go to the city. Come on, I need money. Well, take me to this issue. Medical, with the idea, you may have to say, and yet to so. And yeah, dear, there is a generational problem here. Maintenance, routine maintenance, repairs, and then transmission.
When you are, Majidi said, last Tuesday and last week, my catcher was so choke on Tumpo Bako. At the Jadia, near Chua, just what else over choke on Tumpo Bear 10. And they do. And son, what him they defend it back open our trial. And in their possible. MPP government, I know official Ghana for to see the enemy. I can say, or more respect to Ghana for. More respect to Ghana for Kadiwe, a question can also. Mamma can't say you do so. John Mahama Tam, they do so on. Nay, Nejin, Nebini Hokra, net Latin New Year, so cry, Bindi Ghana cry. Sinabi Woho. Bani a fish and so. And TSS. See, we ain't been away and Yabimeba. And then, Sanesi. Light no, obi ewo light sisi, obi nibi. Meba, me trawa dia me keep panty na obetimase. Me obetimase. Ba o mpese obema kasa o ma me keep panty. Yesi machine asai me boa. Machine say yesi nyane nyina na asai me boa. Ana Ghana ni bi ehia light. Kakra ne wo ho no, ye nhihye na obi nya bi na obi nya bi. Wo se da bi tie sa logic we me hu na ebi fo nkwa logic. Wo so wo machine se 3. Emu mienu asai. And until I offer you cocoa baby, into all repair, into Bacopen a year, Jumameboa. Into Bacopen a year, Jumano. What's he saying here? No way, any be, no way, trying to be. What's it there be? And only young canisa, and you do Musoni repair machine. See, I saw my yarn eka. Nedro Mahama town. Need generation problem. I'm a yaka say, dear no wohono. Ghana for a sweet, it's a Mama Delruma. I know who said, Mammy found Mary Power, car power. I know didn't you know about that be a mechanic before so. Drama yes we energy missing power macho. Omundumuka power just 1 hour pet and not Mary Power 1 hour pet. Say Ghana you know could do so much. Because in the end you down Kosumbo. And you may be course so your mamma you try and throw say jo mama ediska entina kanintina Ghana for the dum so ne nya generation asam na ye ayeska ne ni wontia ene yese ensama mo ka no emodu do mama dawruma so ne ye to gas free Nigeria ene gas ni nyina wa ye bi wo Ghana ba kuntum po amutwa ye brebi gu obi so ene mutia mo se ye mmili mu nkofo bi expert bi no mo na ye adwuma ye tuo mo ka satam ne do mama de no ye adwumaogriko ene na wo sa ye adwuma ECG nto onu no die onu ni de yemfa subo no mo no se adum kane a ya mahama ni ya jeso maka me se Ghana o se e be koyenim se ye nkoyenim agina ye nua no MPP for so because se ya na kwa me nkruma ya akosumbo omo kasa ya di na tam twane ntro akowia akosumbo ane be so Ghana mo jo mahama ade sa machine ne ba omo so jo mahama wanye ni ye mu ba ya sa machine su kro no ayese mu koye bibi wo ho anna mu ti kwamti ayi preparation e da no mu ko giske gi Ghana sike die ya ba pimu ne nsentro for report kwa ya mfa bi mamo ama ye hu se omo so jo mama de $150 million bi atuso a wati a che ne botu 4 years ne omo ntimi chi jo mama ama nu kura ka wona aya fa ne sabo a charge ako ye yi na dia no otifie no ba de wo mu ne se enye no kura de never ye betu abaye tigada ya omo fi se sabi omo de omo ko school obi anko bi ana omo nim wiase nyansa na obi anibi ya wa ye betu aba December mo ho no November December mo ana griko fo ba ka se aba ni deka independent producers aba abontimu nyina mu ayeturu wonim mi ntwantro se aba ni de omo ka ayeturu independent producers aba abonti se aba ni de omo ka $1 million abani tia mu kakra bi mo mo enye sa adum so baba wo ye ti kuro wem
as we speak abani se wo tia 50%.
anu na me ka aban we de bia anya sa aban we de bia anya sa na de mi ya
minister for agriculture na omo ele lines
me ba de me kan de bia ele lines obi onni Ghana ba kwasam bia na o ka se aye true obi onni Ghana ba kwasam bia na o ya akwala ECG Kambia na yetwili atoko ba bi ye repair machine bi what ya sama omo ka kire omo say free now to December
in Asante
till machine ben wa repair free almost 10 months meba 10 months any lance meba onim emfa me ho me che onim dia we me ne abere dia American eduma bi kwa na esa ya me de se de 250 tie nyina emfa me ho se omo so o maye na omo nya me je da bia maka me this time me ntase me defend ya ma obi o hwe me be gie di o aye nyina ye hunu ye dum ni me ba ye mo so gine 1050 tie nyina ye hu kire ye buko mo so ayi ya fa ni sai aye ye hu be change se me to mama ni se mama ni se
Enyaro ahodo ben na agi ni padua no aboso ya ready to say eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo me kanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy subetu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa bae de Madam Katri tonic aba adwaman so eboa siesie ni padua no ni titiw e de ma emma wonoma won fichiko ensisi so yie sa wono Madam Katri tonica eboa ema woni padua no enyini yie na aboa ma wo fichiko so aye kama ye won fidie wa waso ye de aba adwaman so ye de hwehwe di padua ni mu eyi ya ro hodo ahintani nyina edi Katri clinic ewo Kumase Asante Mantembu adi ne yewo Madam Katri clinic ya re nyina last ton
FD ya hwehwe sei dwadi ka to yi mu agi atum se eye
animdia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me o ma asofo nso no mo nya ma asore ma akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa isko ka chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me ne da okay kwesi da edwo da ebana da okuo da yawada efie da ana me nya djuma na efie da wo be to me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda okay akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 50 years on nanteda wada fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne timi enwo ye kete ɔwɔ hɔ a na ɔkye ne tɛkyerɛmate sɛ aboɔ wɔ no malam sɛ nkasa fa no bra ebi
ɔhwɛ